heart, you know. Yes. That's our destiny, you know. True living, you know. Yes. To show love to each and every one, you know. Yeah, man. Good heart. Good vibration. Yeah, man.
I see you at the tree.
Real power, man. Yeah, man. We are all here fighting this struggle, you know. You know, but we all have to stand up strong as a Rasta, you know. Everywhere you go, it's stressful and Rasta. People don't like to see Rasta.
Why
We're not
ain't
doing
I will?
anything. We're just living our life free.
Well, they're mad about that, ain't
We just,
well, they get mad, don't
yeah. They, you know.
Babylon system. Everybody's caught up in it.
Hard on Rasta. Babylon, man, it's an oppressor system on Rasta, man. You know, you got to. They're always peeping you out, you know.
That's why you stay to yourself. Keep your mind away from it.
Yeah, keep my mind centered when I'm here, you know. Yeah, man.
So you just came up pretty.
I just come here, clean the land, get in all the fruits, get the seeds and plant the seeds, and then the fruits grow, you know. Yeah. In a couple years from now, it's be like living off just fruits. Yeah. Peace. Come on, peace, that's it.
One with nature. Nature's beautiful. Bubba, let me do this.
In here, you know, no carbon dioxide here, it's all oxygen. Yeah, clean air, yeah, man. See, yeah, man, yeah.
To get away from Babylon. He come here to get his people.
I think it's all about weed, though. In your state,
yeah. That's the same way in Jamaica here. They see Rasta, they thought it's all ganja.
That's black people. Blacks mad at you here.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. I don't know why. What is it? It's a crazy thing, man.
But they won't cigarette.
They don't go free, you know. But I see, they give people license. You have license for a gun, you have license to drive, license to drink.
There's plenty of fans.
Smoke a cigarette, and that is what killing off all the people. Everything they give the people license to do, that's what killing them. Yeah.
I'll find it. Give me time.
The black people have lost their track, you know.